Today's lecture is a 8 step to success. First of all, let me explain about Zoom etiquette. While you are participating in Zoom, please be careful of the noise around you and turn off the microphone. And if possible, please turn on the video and focus on the lecture. Today's lecture will be given by a young leader. He and his wife are working together in the atomic business. Please listen carefully to today's lecture on Atomic's 8 steps to success. So please turn your camera on and pay attention. Please give a big round of applause for tonight's lecture. 잔쟁 코바, 네, 나와주세요.
Hello, good evening everyone. Okay, I will start. So our topic for today is all about 8 steps to success. I will my presentation.
소리가 조금 작으신 것 같은데.
Hello everyone. Am I audible? Can you hear me loud and clear? Atomians. Okay. So
오케이.
before we start, I want to introduce myself to you guys. I'm Jansen Rimar Ecobar. I'm from Philippines. I'm also a young Atomian leader. Okay, I'm 29 years old and my birthday is June 28, 1997. I graduated in Marine Engineering Transport, PNTC last 2017. And I got married last year, 2024, and my wife is Vijem. Vijem is also leader here in the Philippines. So that's my beautiful wife, and that's my father-in-law, with Pastor Richard. Yeah. Tommy was introduced to me by my father-in-law. That's what I said. So that's why me and my wife, Jem, decided to join Atomy. Okay, so let's start and we proceed now. My topic for today is the 8 steps to success. Okay, what is 8 steps to success? 8 steps to success is you need a structured system designed to help members to succeed in the business by building a solid foundation and duplicating success. So if you want to success here in this business, you have a goal. You have a objective. What is your objective? What is your objective why you join Atomy? To become successful someday. That's what is my reason why and my wife join here in Atomy. So my first 8 step success is number 1, set goal or firm goal setting. Firm goal setting is refers to the process of establishing clear, specific, and non-negotiable object and that guide individuals, team, organizational action. So my questions to you, Atomians, for today, why did you join Atomy? What is your goal or what is your objective? Why you join this Atomy business? So I have a characteristics for firm goal setting. Number 1 is specific and clear. Yes, you must your goals are well defined, very clear. Second one is time bound. There is a specific deadline or timeline for your completion. Like for example, you want to see yourself 5 years from now after you join Atomy, you see yourself, I want to be a diamond master. I want to be royal master. That's great. Number 3 is non-negotiable. So it means non-negotiable. You have your firm decision that I want to be like this someday. And now number 4, accountability. You must accountability on yourself that you want to be successful someday. You have your goals and also you want to help others in your team. And my five cat, cat characteristic is motivational. Motivational because all of us here in the Zoom meeting is someday we will become leader. So as a leader, you need to be motivate your team. So for me, that's the key characteristic if you want to become successful. You need to become a firm goal setting. Number two is commitment. Commitment is a state of a quality of being dedicated to a cause, activity, or person. It involves a promise, obligation, or decision to stay loyal and follow through even when it's difficult and inconvenient. Okay, so I have a key traits of commitment. Number one, consistency. Why it's consistency is very important in commitment because if you have a consistency, even as just like I said a while ago, even when you experience a difficult time and convenient, you will do you will do everything. If you will do everything, so you need to become success. Second one is responsibility. You have a accountability in yourself and on your team. So you need to be successful. Number three, resilience. Staying the course when challenge arise. So you need to focus. Resilience. Even when you experience struggles, problems, you need to be stronger. Like Aja fighting. Number five, sacrifice. This is very important. Sometimes giving up short-term comfort for long-term goals. Sacrifice is very important if you want to success, like time, effort, and some financial. So here, commitment is very important if you want to success here in Atomy. Okay, third one is, for me, is list down. Okay. When you join Atomy, you need to list down all your friends, loved ones, friends, that you wanted to invite in doing your Atomy business. It's very important because in this section, you will start building your team and possible people that can join you in your success. So if you have a firm goal settings, number one, if you have a commitment in yourself, and the third one is you need to list down. You need to chat down what is your what is your possible teammate, what is your possible uh co-team in someday, either your friends, like what I said, family, loved ones, co-workers. So list down is very important because this is the time you need to plan. This is the time you want to, okay, I want to invite my friend. Okay, I want to invite my coworkers. So list down is very important because the number four is very important before we will proceed to number four, you need to do number three, the list down. Okay, we will proceed to the number four, the invitation. Okay, after you list down all your loved ones, friend, and other people that we know that we can help us to become successful in business and can join us to success, we need to invite them in Atomy seminars, webinars like this one, like Atomy Global Meeting, so we can introduce properly the Atomy business to them. So after you list down all your future team, you need to invite them. As of now, in the time, we have a way of invitation in our friends. We need to use social media, very accessible right now. You need to, like for example, if you have a friends, any Um, on other country, you just ping her and ask, "Hey, hello, how are you? I have a business plan for you. Do you want to come?" So invitation is very important. If you have a so many friends, invitation is not problem, guys. Atomians. For me, you have a plan. What kind of plan? Like for example, social media. Second one, you invite your other friends to go to the coffee, ask them, "Hey guys, you have a time? Can we go a coffee like 30 minutes and I have a business proposal for you." So invitation here in Atomy is very, very important. If you want to success someday, invitation is a must. Invitation is a must. Okay, we proceed to the number 5, the explaining the business. Why we need to explain the business to our team? Explaining the business to your team is essential for several reasons. Why? Why is the reason? Number one, alignment with goals and vision. When the teams understand the overall business goals, vision, and mission, they can align their work with the bigger picture. It helps employees see why their work matters and how it contributes to success. So, explain the business. So after you invite your friends, loved ones, and your coworkers, you need to explain them what is the vision, what is the mission, what is Atomy, what is the what is goal of Atomy. So you need to explain everything to them. And number two, better decision making. A team that understands the business context can make smarter day-to-day decisions. They don't just follow instruction, they understand and why behind the work, leading and better judgment and initiative. So explain the business is also very important. For someday, if your invitee become a leader someday, they have a better decision making because first of all, after you invite them, you explain overall what is Atomy, what is the vision and mission of Atomy, what is the goal of Atomy. So for me, this is important. If you want your teammate, if you want them to become a better decision maker in your team, you need to explain them. Number three, increase engagement and motivation. People are more motivated when they know their work has purpose. So understanding the business gives team members a sense of ownership and pride. Yes, increase engagement and motivation. Me, as myself right now, I motivate because I have a several leaders like my father-in-law, and he explained to me what is the goal of Atomy. And I'm inspired because I see a lot right now successing right now in Atomy. So for me, explaining the business is also very important because someday we will know I will become um, Star Master. So I have a motivation right now. Okay, I want to be like that. I want to be a Star Master someday. Also, okay, next one is follow up. Okay, after we invite our possible teammates or possible prospect, we need to follow up them 48 hours after we invite them to the seminars or webinars like Atomy. If we do the demo follow up, then after 48 hours, they have uh, and ask for what is their feedback. In this case, we will able to know if they like or not the products of Atomy, and we can identify easily if they really wanted to do business or ready to jump to join our team. So yes, follow-up is very important because as I said earlier, follow-up is you will know if your invitee, if your friends, if they like, what is their thoughts, what is their comments on Atomy, and on that part you will know what is your right thing to do. If they said, oh, I like the product, and after that you will suggest, okay, you will try our product. And also, if you have a friends, if they comments, oh, right now I'm still not, uh I don't have a firm decision. And on that part, as me, if I have a friend, I will encourage them to, it's okay, and I will tell them it's okay, and I will advise them. If you right now, if you don't have a right decision, I will give you some products and try it, and I will give you another 48 hours, and I will get your feedback. So on that part, follow up is very important. So you will know what is the comments, what is the thoughts on your invitees after you invite them on the on Atomy webinars, Atomy seminars. Okay, and number 7 is consultation. Consultation is important in business because it brings clarity, direction, and expertise into decision making. Number 1 is access to expertise. Consultants or advisors bring specialized knowledge and skills that may not exist within the business. This help business solve complex problems ineffectively, like our sponsors and leaders. So consultation is very important. Like what I said, access to expertise. Yes, as a leader, if you want to become a leader, you need also a knowledge. You need also a expertise. Because someday, if you have a team on your downlines, all of your downline will ask your help, will ask your guidance, how they will become a like you someday. So expertise is very important. Second one is problem solving support. Many businesses face challenging like low sales, inefficiency, or compliant issues. Consultation helps analyze root causes and recommendation tailored solution. Yes, consultation is very important. Like what I said, problem solving support. So as a leader, you will become all of us, we will become a leader someday. You will also have problem solving support on your downlines. Number 3, okay, consultation doesn't just solve immediate issue. It also helps the internal team gain knowledge and improve their future decision making. So if you want to become a good leader someday, you need to have a good consultation on your team. So if someday if they will become a leader, they have a good decision making. And last one is duplicate. In business idea of duplicating someone same as you usually means duplicating your skills, knowledge, and system into others, and so the business can grow without depending only on you. So yes, duplicate. Duplicate is like if you have a team members that you see yourself to her, to his. Okay, I have a teammates that is very motivator to become a successful someday. So you need to duplicate yourself to her. You need to advise her, teach her what is your learnings, what is your what did you get to your mentor. So as a duplicate, you need to duplicate yourself to others. So the company will not also rely to you. And also you will see yourself, oh okay, I have a 2 leaders on my team. And after 1 to 3 years, you have a 4 or 5 leaders. So for me, that's if I see my team someday, I have a 4 to 5 leaders. I'm happy because I see myself. Um I see myself that I am growing here in Atomy. So, okay, so we will go back again on the number one. Number one, if you have if you want to be successful in the Atomy, number one is set goal. You need to have a firm goal or objective if you want to become a success. Number two, you need to have a commitment. You need to have the commitment, your time, effort, and treasure. Everything. If you want to be successful in your career, in your school, you have a commitment in yourself. Number three is list. List down as as I said earlier, list down all your friends, loved ones that you want to become your team someday. Number four, after you list down invitation, invite them to social media, or you will invite them to have a coffee and said to them, I have a business proposal to you if you want to try. And after that, if you invite them, explain the business. Explain the business, as I said earlier, is very critical. It's very important because this is the part you will explain to them what is the vision and mission of Atomy, what is the goal of Atomy. So explaining the business, it's very important and critical part if you want to success here in Atomy. Number six, follow up. After you invite them, you will get the comments, thoughts, what is the comments after you invite them. If they like, ask them if they want to try Atomy. And if they said, until right now, I don't have a firm decision, it's okay. Just follow up them and don't lose hope. Don't give up. Number seven, consultation. As a leader, if you want to become a leader, you have a expertise, you have a knowledge, because someday you have a team and your team will also rely on you, will also ask you, and as a leader, you have a consult on yourself. Last one is duplicate. As duplicate is very important because you want to see yourself, you want to see your team three 3 to 5 years from now. You have a 3 or 4 leaders someday on your team. So for me, that's very very inspiring. For me, I have a 3 to 4 leaders someday. Okay, so that's all for my topic for the 8 steps to success. So I hope everyone you understand and have a good day.
네. Everyone, let's give Jan Jacob a big round of applause once again for his wonderful lecture. 네, 큰 박수 부탁드립니다. Uh, now let's move